Thick figure families drawn in crayon red. The heart would dad above your messy head. Sunshine with no clouds, just crooked lines. And I keep everyone like sacred signs. Magnets barely holding time. Smudge blue marker, uneven rhyme. To daddy from me, no date, no place. But I remember the jelly on your face. We didn't frame them, didn't need gold. Just stuck 'em up like love untold. Notes on the fridge, moments that stayed through spilled milk mornings and rainy days. Tiny hands wrote in crooked grays, but somehow always found the space to say I love you without a sound. And pictures that never let me down. Notes on the fridge, my heart's little bridge. A rocket ship, a flower tall, a pirate dad with one eye and all. You draw our house with stars and trees and label every window me. I never said it quite like you, but your fridge art always knew. Notes on the fridge, ink fading slow, but your love still loudly shows. Even when the magnets fall, I see you dancing in the hall. Those tiny pages stained and bent hold every word I never sent. Notes on the fridge, where my soul finds its edge. Don't draw much these days, I know, but I still check before I go for one more sun with your name near, like proof that love once lived right here. Notes on the fridge, I keep them close like folded prayers no one knows. Your childhood frozen in paper dreams still hums beneath the kitchen beams. And if you ask me what love is, I'd point at those old fridge notes of yours. Notes on the fridge, where I learned what love is for. One stick figure smile at a time, still saving me, still making me try.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid. And